Hey Scratchers! Today I'm creating a super fun project in Sprite where the sprite follows your mouse around the screen and reacts when you click on it. It's super fun and creative. Let's dive in and bring our sprite to life. I'll start with my green flag. Then I'll go to the control and get a forever loop. I'll go to the motion and get a block that says go to the mouse pointer. Then I'll go to the events. I'll pick out the block that says when this sprite is clicked. I'll create a clone of my sprite with this block. Then I'm going to wait. I'll wait for 0.05 seconds. I'm going to change the color effect by 25 of my sprite. Still I'll change the size by 10 and then I'll play a sound called meow until done. So I'm going to delete the clones. So I'm going to test it. Click the green flag. It follows the mouse pointer. It reacts when I click on it. It creates clones. It increases by 10. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Do not forget to like and share this video.